Hi all, this is just an impromptu video on some astronomy related Prime Day deals that I noticed. I'm just a little surprised that some of them are actually pretty good. So the first one, this is probably the best deal, is the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX102AZ, which is a 102 millimeter refractor. This is actually one of the ones that I recommend to beginners because of the integration that you can do with the StarSense app. I find that people who are just starting out, the app really does help them navigate the skies, and it's just beginner friendly. And it's listed at $279, $280. Normally it's around 400 plus. If you look on the same listing on B&H, it's $429. And according to Camel, this is the lowest it has been in a long time. So this is a really good deal. Link to this in the description below. Another telescope that's is on a decent price drop is the SvBony SV503 telescope, which is an 80 millimeter 80 scope. I haven't used this one, but I've been reading reviews more recently that the quality of the SvBony telescopes have been increasing over time, which is pretty good because they are a good budget telescope. So I'll link to this in the description below as well. According to Camel, this is around like $485. The lowest it's been was $379, and I think this was a Cyber Monday deal last year. So if you want to wait for Cyber Monday, maybe it'll go back down. But who knows? It's just another $8. So if you wanted like an ED scope to go with, so this is pretty nice. So the next deal I saw is the Anker 521 portable power station. This is normally around like $250. This has been on my wish list for a while. I use a Jackery box. I always wanted a second one, so I may or may not get this one today because I already spent a ton of money recently, so I have to really think about this one. But $186 is pretty nice. I think the lowest it's been was actually like $160. This was a couple years ago, so this is before all the inflation. So this is the one that I'll most likely get, but it's still not guaranteed. The fourth item is a lens. It's the Samyang 14mm f2.8 ultrawide angle lens. So this is what I use. This is my Milky Way lens. I plan on doing a review of this, so come back for that. When I bought it, this was $250, so it's a whole $50 less than what I paid for it. But that was years ago. And that's the Canon version. The Olympus and the Nikon version are a little bit more expensive, and I don't think they dropped in price, so this is just the deal for the Canon. And it does look like the new price is $230, so it's already less than what I paid for it, but so it's just another $30 off. And I don't know who's gonna get it. There's only one left, so good luck. I checked out some of the other Celestron Prime Day deals. Don't think any of the other ones are really that worth it. The refractor is definitely the best deal that they have. Well, happy Prime Day. Have a good one.